and this one and East London. Those two locations. Yes.
This four, right?
Yes. All
This
those
four
ones. Yes.
and East London,
And East
not
London. Yes.
not
Not
an
and
East,
East London.
not an East.
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. I'll do that. No problem. I'll do no, no problem. Okay, one thing you want to see my ad is good or not? Can I show you?
It's very good. Abu, I'm impressed. I work with you. I work with you. No problem, Abu. 100%. You know, from day one, I said I like you. I work with you.
No,
100%.
can I just show you how you spend your
Okay.
money and July to August. Okay,
Okay.
look, your CPC for every click you are giving Google almost £7,
Six. Wow.
and your CTR is just 7%. So if 100% see your ads, just 7 people click your ads. Okay, in September 1 to September 19, look, for every clicks you are giving almost £6, and the
Wow.
CTR is just 8. That's mean if 100%, 100 people saw your ads, 8 people click your ads. But can you see my ads?
Like this.
Okay,
Always have. Exactly. Okay. Now
and
come.
look, can you see? I
Yeah.
am giving for every click just 2, less than £2.
£2. Yeah. Less than
So
£2.
I am saving your wasted money. Your wasted money lot of for every click. And my CTR, can you see?
52 for just 2 days or 3 days. 2 days.
Yes,
Sunday. What's today?
and
2 days.
almost double rather than you.
Double. Yeah.
So, okay. So now tell me, just in one word, the confusion you have uh, that my ad will work or not. You spend almost £6, £6,000 with zero conversion. So work with me. How do you feel?
I feel very confident. Very, very confident. Of course.
And
You know,
you
two,
got your
three,
first
three,
conversion, right?
three. Yeah, exactly. I got my first conversion, and not with a small budget. You know,
Yes, with
small
a small
conversion with small budget, and I can see all the optimization score, everything going good. You know,
yes. Also,
you
our
see
ad
it.
is just 3 days. We'll even we cannot prevent a negative keyword because it need time. We just added
Yes,
some negative keyword. So there for that also we spending like irrelevant spending for irrelevant
irrelevant. Yeah,
clicks. So you we will decrease day by day. No problem.
and from I have the app. When I see relevant keyword, I always like to take it to negative. If I'm doing negative, should I do exact or phrase?